Hello everyone, so I will start my presentation for individual with lesson plan, which is for Dienes story. So I will show you one situation in year 1. So in this lesson, I will teach about use Dienes block, which is it's emphasizing that in this story we going to use a concrete stage, which is we use physical object to represent a maths concept. So I will explain a little bit about this block, which is the teacher should introduce first for each block color and its value, and then the teacher demonstrate how to combine blocks to create different numbers, which is starting with simple number like 11. So we use one green and then one yellow. And then we start with simple number, for example 23, and have a student show the number using the blocks. And then student will receive a worksheet where they must represent various number using these blocks. They will draw the blocks or write the number of each block used. For example, 2 green and 3 yellow. So why I use this situation in my Dean's story? So this follow Dean's concrete stage where children use physical object to represent math concept, and then this method to using physical material makes that math concrete and fine. Hello, good morning guys. So good morning. We are going to learn blocks numbers. So are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, so today I'm going to show you if the red blocks is referred to 1000. If is the blue blocks is referred as 100 blocks. And then if is green blocks, and then it's referred as 10. And then the last one, the yellow, which is the smallest, is referred as 1. Okay, so I will show you example how we use this number of blocks. Okay, for example, we have two green blocks. So one block is referred as 10, right? So if two block is 20, and then we have the yellow one, which is one yellow is referred as 1. Then if we have 7 yellow blocks, then we have 7. So 20 plus 7, we got what?
27.
Okay, good. Okay, so I give you a few questions, right? Okay, one for you and then one for you. Okay. Okay, so for the first question, what is the answer? Are you?
30 plus 2, 32 teacher.
Okay, good. Okay, next question.
Next question. Here we have 30 and then here we have 12. 42.
Oh, good. Next, this is the lesson plan for Constructivism math activity where I demonstrate about the money. So, in this lesson, students will debate about how they're going to spend their money on. And then they will choose one things that they will benefit to spend on. So one of the constructivism activity is debate. So how we gonna conduct activity of debate? So first, teacher should divide students into small group and give them a scenario to discuss. And then teacher should set expectation for respectful listening as speaking during the debate. And then we're gonna prompt a student with question like, what are the pros and cons of your decision? And how does your choice impact your savings? And then monitor the group discussion and they provide support and guiding questions as needed. So why? Reflection encourages deeper understanding, where students will explain in their own words rather than just memorizing. And then encourage the peer learning, where children learn well by teaching each other. Hello guys, so today we are going to learn about money. Have you used money before?
Yes.
Alright, good. So today we're going to debate on what things that things buy often using money lah. Okay, so I want you to debate what things things buy, and then at the end you choose one things that benefit for things to buy on. Alright, okay, go on.
Okay, Jack, what do you think? I think from this point, teenager will spend more money on food, right? Because food is necessary in everyday life. Don't you think so?
Yes, but I think teens will spend more money on books because as a kid, I like to read comic books and also novel. And as a student, I will also spend more money on reference book and exercise books. So I think teens will spend more money on books.
Oh, I think you are right, Ayu, because
So, what is the implication of Dean's theory and constructivism in mathematics activities? So, for Dean's theory, first, construction principle, where students form a mathematical relationship by reflecting on action performed with concrete materials. This principle encourages hands-on activities using manipulative like Dean's block to build foundational concepts. Next, this theory also multiple embodiment principle. By presenting similar mathematical structure in varied contexts, learner can abstract commonalities. For example, using different games or scenario to teach the same concept foster deeper understanding. What is the implication for constructivism? So first, active learning, where students construct knowledge through interaction with their environment, such as solving real-world problems or engaging in group discussion. And then social interaction, where collaborative activity encourage sharing ideas and constructing shared understanding. And then the last one is scaffolding, where teacher provide guided support that gradually fades as students become more independent. So we're gonna look into the implication for both learning theory in individual different. So for this learning theory, for struggling learners, this learning theory will help students with step-by-step guidance with scaffolding before independent work. And then for advanced learners, okay, this learning theory will encourage them to extend their learning by creating their own problems. And then for visual learners, this learning theory will help to show the drawing shape, charts, and color-coded representation to reinforce the learning. And then constructivism also will help students who struggle with math anxiety, which is constructivism will provide a safe exploratory environment which reduces the fear of making mistakes. And then for social learners, constructivism will explore and then will provide the group discussion and peer learning which will help them process and apply new ideas. And then for independent learners, constructivism is a self-directed problem-solving activities. So this will allow them to explore concept at their own pace.